It seems like the price of just about everything is higher than it was just a year ago. And one thing that drivers are noticing is that car insurance rates are going up. Colleen Sokora is looking into why it's happening and what you can do to try and save some money.
It's one thing drivers are noticing is costing more. And no, we're not talking about gas.
How much did they go up?
$40, 172 to 213.
They went up, I'd say my last time probably almost doubled.
Car insurance rates going up in Arizona and across the country. An analysis from earlier this year by Bankrate finding the average yearly car insurance premium in Phoenix rose more than $300 year over year.
I was upset. I called them twice. They were closed that day. But at the end of the day, I was like, well, it's still cheaper than what I'm going to get, say, a Geico or so. So we got to accept it, right?
I mean, it's frustrating everybody in every corner of the nation because auto insurance is something that the government requires us to buy.
Douglas Heller is the director of insurance for the Consumer Federation of America, a nonprofit that works with consumer protection organizations.
Why are rates so high right now?
Well, it's a mix of things. Some of it is inflation impacts car repair, just like it impacts all aspects of our lives. But also, unfortunately, the insurance industry, which is supposed to be really well regulated, is not particularly well regulated. And I think the insurance companies are getting away with pushing rates up higher than are appropriate.
In Arizona, insurance companies don't need approval from the state to change their rates, as long as their rate is justified and there's competition in the market. Bob Passmore, Vice President of Policy Research and International at the American Property Casualty Insurance Association, says increasing technology in cars and used car values have gone up.
Insurers get it on both ends. They're paying more for actually repaired vehicles and for vehicles that can't be repaired. And you've got the general cost. There's a lot of costs associated with collision repair that are going up as well.
Both Passmore and Heller recommend drivers shop around for the best deal.
If you are working from home part-time now, they may still be charging you as though you drive 15,000 miles a year. And your rates can come down if you get the right things like mileage.
Even if your driving record isn't the best, there's usually multiple companies out there that will want to write your business.
And make sure your information is current with your insurer. And if you have an old car, check if comprehensive and collision coverage is really needed.
Is it worth buying coverage to replace a vehicle that's worth not that much more than the premium you're paying?